Hi guys, and welcome to week 4 of remote learning. Today we are going to be going over Wednesday and Thursday's assignment. So looking at my Schoology page, you are going to scroll down and click on week 4. And then you are going to go into the Wednesday and Thursday folder. The first thing that you're going to see is the informational video, which is what you're watching right now. The second thing that you're going to see is the rules for capitalization. You're going to notice a little note that says this is simply a notes page. You do not need to submit anything here. This is a notes page for your reference to make it easier to complete the assignment. So when you click on this, you are going to see that it is a PDF. And you can do a couple of things here. You can simply view the PDF and it'll just open and you can look at the notes. You can open it with Cami if you're more comfortable with that. However, you do not need to mark anything on it or submit anything to me through Cami for the notes page. The other option you have is you can actually click on the title of the PDF and it will download it to your device. That way, if you want to open it and print it to have it kind of sitting beside you as you complete the assignment, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to click on View so that I can show you guys what the PDF looks like. Giving it a little bit of time to load here. So you are going to see that it says rules for capitalization. The rules are on the left-hand side, and then it gives you specific examples on the right-hand side. So it's going to list off 6 specific rules for capitalization with examples. Now I know that for a lot of you guys, this is going to be review. You already know the rules and you already know what you should and should not be capitalizing. However, it's always a good thing to brush up on those skills and make sure that you're remembering some of those important rules as you are writing. So again, this is your notes page. You do not need to do anything or submit anything here. This is simply for your information as you complete the actual assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into Schoology here. And then going back into my Wednesday, Thursday folder. Now the actual assignment portion says capitalization practice open with Cami. So we're going to click on that. And as the instructions stated, we want to click on the open assignment with Cami button. This is the only thing that you are going to actually be submitting to me. And this is going to be Wednesday and Thursday's assignment. So if you want to get it all done on Wednesday and turn it in, then you're free on Thursday. Or if you want to do a little bit each day, you can do that as well. It's totally your option here. Okay, so this is what the worksheet looks like, and it is composed of 3 different sections, and you're going to see different highlighting on the directions for each. So the first section here says read each sentence, then decide which capitalization rule each sentence demonstrates, and write the letter of the rule on the line. So you're going to look at the sentence, and you're going to ask yourself, which one of these rules applies to the capitalization within the sentence? If it's A, you would simply put A on the line for 1 through 5. Section B says decide whether each sentence follows the correct capitalization rules by writing yes, Y, or no, N on the line. So you are going to read over the sentence. If you see an error, then you are obviously going to put an N for no. If everything looks correct, all accurate capitalization is used, then you would write a Y for yes. The final section is page 2, and it says identify the incorrectly capitalized word in each sentence, and then write it correctly on the appropriate line below. If there is no error, write NE on the line. So you are going to see a short paragraph here, and each sentence is labeled with the corresponding number that goes to the line below. And you are going to put the word that is incorrect, and you are going to write it correctly on the line. So maybe it is capitalized and it shouldn't be, or it is not capitalized and it should be. So remember that you are writing it correctly on the line. If you look over the sentence and you think that everything is capitalized correctly, then you would simply write NE on the line for no errors. So this is going to be both pages of your capitalization worksheet. Again, this is the assignment for both Wednesday and Thursday. When you are completely done, you're going to come up to this blue turn in button. Always make sure that your autosave is checkmarked, and then hit that blue turn in button for me to be able to grade it. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.